Here's a YouTube video review video for the BMW S1000RR, designed for your channel Autotech by CH Schaub. This version has a natural presenter style and can be delivered in English or a mix of Urdu/English if you'd like. Welcome back to Autotech by CH Schaub. AAJ hum review car rahi hain ek AC machine jo surf bike nahi, ek rocket high on two wheels, BMW S1000RR. Is bike ka design bilkul aggressive high, sharp fairings, aerodynamic winglets, or iconic asymmetrical headlights? Ye bike stand peb speed dika rahi hodi high. BMW NE is main lagaya high 999 cubic centimeters inline 4 engine jo banata high 205 horsepower. 0 SE 100 km per hour? Surf 3.1 seconds. Or quick shifter? Butter smooth. Is bike main APCO milt hain ride modes, dynamic traction control, launch control, ABS Pro, full electronic suite for safety and performance. Ride quality is surprisingly comfortable for a superbike. Lekan jab throttle open caro, by, ye bike a jodi high. BMW S1000RR is not just a bike, it's an experience. APCO Kia lagta high, is it worth the price tag? Comments main batayan. Channel KO like Carrion, subscribe Carrion, or Milt Hain Eagle review main. Would you like this video in complete Urdu, or want a short YouTube Shorts version too?